Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 3rd of April, 2025, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.72. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of 19.17%. This equates to an average loss of 4.79% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock has broken a very wide and strong rising short-term trend downward. This signals the slower rate of increase, but may also serve as an early warning of a possible trend shift. With the trend now broken, there will be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at $20.70. A reaction back to this level may provide a second chance to exit before further declines. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 10.5% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 26.16% and 76.74%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -33.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -58.95% to -6.75% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $7.44 and $16.91. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Intel Stock Price on Tuesday, moving between $17.67 and $20.39. The Intel stock price fell by 7.36% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, from $19.57 to $18.13. It has now fallen for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 15.43%, ranging from a low of $17.67 to a high of $20.39. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 25.08% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 20 million shares. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, this may signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 161 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.93 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $38.58, while the lowest price was $17.67. Currently, the price is 53.01% or $20.45 below the 52-week high, and 73.83% or $51.16 below the all-time high recorded on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Intel Corporation is currently generating buzz in the tech market. Recently, Ultra Clean Holdings earned Intel's 2025 EPIC Supplier Award, signaling strong supply chain relationships and operational efficiency, which could enhance Intel's production capabilities in the near term. Market analysts have also pointed to Intel and NVIDIA as contributing factors to AMD's recent downgrade to sector weight. This reflects competitive pressures in the semiconductor sector where Intel's position is pivotal. Such downgrades can lead to broader market sentiment affecting Intel's stock. A potential alliance with Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company is fueling expectations of a turnaround for Intel. This partnership could bolster Intel's manufacturing capabilities and innovation efforts, positioning it more favorably in the competitive landscape of chip production. Long-term investors are taking notice of Intel's strategic overhaul under new CEO Lip-Bu Tan, which includes restructuring its foundry operations and aggressive investments in technology. Despite trading at a discount, there remains skepticism about Intel's recovery trajectory, yet the company's focused initiatives could unlock future growth. Moreover, Intel is targeting a significant volume of AI PC shipments, expected to capitalize on its upcoming Panther Lake CPU by the end of 2025. This focus on AI and advanced chips could solidify its market presence and drive stock value upward. In summary, while immediate market reactions might be tepid due to competitive pressures and downgrades, Intel's strategic maneuvers and partnerships suggest a roadmap that could positively impact its stock price in the long run. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 18th of February 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned INTC a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 31st of January 2025, Cowen & Company reported a hold rating for INTC with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 2nd of December 2024, Bernstein conveyed a market perform rating for INTC with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 17th of October 2024, Goldman Sachs issued a sell rating for INTC along with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 3rd of October 2024, Wedbush provided an equal weight rating for INTC accompanied by a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Intel stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $20.96 and $22.79. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 18, 2025. And since then, the stock has decreased by 30% and 0.05. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Yesterday, the volume increased while prices fell. This may serve as an early warning, necessitating closer observation of the stock. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 38 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 30 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience significant decline in the coming days. This stock is prone to considerable movement throughout the day, demonstrating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of $2.73 between its high and low, representing a change of 15.43%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 11.34%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let us quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 0.0017. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. The FUMR movement saw 2.6% upward and gained 7%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $19.85. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of March, 2025, Smith Gregory D. conducted an insider purchase of 1,596,213 shares of phantom stock units. On the same day, Ishraq Omar executed an insider purchase of 1,376,046 shares of phantom stock units. On the 21st of March, 2025, Tan Lip Bu made an insider purchase of 1,043,406 shares of common stock. On the 18th of March, 2025, Tan Lip Bu conducted an insider purchase of 1,792,938 shares of employee stock options. On the same day, Tan Lip Bu also purchased 1,029,579 shares of employee stock options. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 88.944. In total, insiders acquired 7,739,026 shares while selling 425,423 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Intel stock a good buy? The Intel stock currently displays several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, our assessment indicates that Intel is likely to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of April, we anticipate that Intel will open higher by approximately $600 and start trading at $18.73. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.